Good morning. All right, so what's today? Is it Friday already? It's Friday. Okay, cool. So today's Friday. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming back. First thing I wanted to just point out is say, okay, well, let's go on the weekly so you can see that this area I think could be significant, could or could not be. So we see that we kind of hit the tippy top of resistance on the weekly time frame at some point in time right over here. And when you zoom up, you see, it was a area that was used as resistance here at one point in time. This is on the 2-day time frame, so it's like stronger than the daily. It's pretty much, you could just practically call it a weekly level. So we dipped into there a little bit, and what I'm seeing now is this minor break of resistance on the 15-minute. So right now that just means that the lower time frame structure is bullish because we have this break of resistance. If we weren't going to go bullish, then we would, that just wouldn't have happened. Go on the 1 hour. The 1 hour candle is about to close in 2 minutes. Also wanted to point out that we came here, rejected, same level. This area is tested, right? So pretty much I'm trying to point out that this area is being tested. That's what that would look like. That could be seen on the 1 hour. The previous 4 hour did close as a bullish doji, so that's just another sign saying, hey, we might have some bullish movement from this level, which is why I'm going to buy right now. So I'm going to buy based off of, just this minor break of resistance, the location, and also it is a clear lower low, right? So in structure, we are 0.8. So this is a lower low, right? So you could think that, okay, you could buy at lower lows, but you do have to see some evidence of it on the 4 hour time frame. And in this case, I would say the fact that there is a 4 hour candle, I'm not looking for this buy trade to break past these levels right now. No, I'm not, because I understand that we're still making lower lows on the 4 hour, and I understand that this is a counter trend, right? So the max I would take this trade to is the lower low, bearish candle, 0.3. I would take it to this level. This would be my take profit. Right, so the take profit is just going to be based on the fib level, the next fib level, because you don't have a negative 27% to finesse right now. And if a trade is going to reverse, usually it'll at least go to 38.2. But at the same time, we could just reverse earlier than that because we are in a strong seller's market. That's a possibility too. But if that happens, you would just look for a break of support, right? So you see what you got to find, which time frame is creating the cleanest and clearest supports, and then just wait for that to break, right? So that is my take on that, and this would be the target, right? Well, I mean, actually, after, as long as price doesn't pass this previous structure point, right? I'm assuming that price will this might be the next move. Then the take profit will be right here, even though more than likely it's going to come to this level, but we're just going to keep it on these fib levels. So whenever price starts to break support in these levels, this is definitely going to be the next trade that I'll be anticipating, right? And for gold, I did have buys, and then I got stopped out, and I was like, well, of course, because now that this 4 hour support broke, that just means it's going to start to look for a fib level to reverse off of. But you won't know it's going to reverse off of it until you get now a break of resistance on the 4 hour. So probably today, there could be some sells, there could be some buys. We don't know. I'm not going to really pay attention to gold right now. However, if you see, I don't want to mislead, but I think finding a 30-minute break of resistance here. No. Actually, it would have to come down to at least here, right? Ooh, facts. The devil almost misled me. So we know that a true PRZ is at least 38.2. So if price comes down all the way here, or if 8 o'clock comes, before 8 o'clock comes, we're still up here. This could probably be the next move. Watch for a break of support in, that could be a possibility. So either or. And earlier yesterday, price on GU. So I exited. I was in sells here, right? And then when I saw this happening, I exited because we had a break, right? So this was my last lower high that I had marked off. And then this candle came and violated it, like, hey girl, I'm here to stay. And so I had to exit because I knew she was about to do some whore activities. But I was smart. I was smart enough to exit. So tracking the higher lows, bearish, bullish. You have your last one right here. I had this support marked off. This could have been your next entry. And then these are my notes on the side. And then negative 27% would be the target. So it's still not at its target yet. That would have been that for GU. Oh, and also this entire level, because I was like, I'm not in GU anymore. And there's a reason for that. But I could have been. However, when I was marking off these lower highs, I really could have just been like, but I think I exited from my phone, which makes sense. Don't really do your analysis from your phone if it's not super, super clear. But here we have bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. All that's tested. So there's no reason to exit. Then we have bullish, bearish, another tested. And then ever since then, it just contained lower highs and lower highs and lower highs. So there still is no reason to exit until it gives you one. All right. So that's what I'm saying right now. Have a great weekend.